Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your Debian's Input Audio Echo. So if you're not able to record your video with audio or simply audio on your Debian distro, then you should go ahead and run this command and make some changes. So this is basically to help you install pulseaudio if it is not installed on your system. This is the command sudo apt install pulseaudio, one word, install it and simply restart the system. Type in the password. All done. You might have to type Y as in yes to continue. I've already installed it, and now you can go ahead and select here, click this icon, audio or speaker icon, go to audio settings and then go to inputs. Make sure it is enabled, it's not like enabled, and then you also go ahead and go to settings under audio settings and make sure it is not 150%, it is 100%, and then you can go ahead and close it. That's all you need to do. Then you can go ahead and start recording the video and it should be all right like this one. So thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.